how to use the tracking feature on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your CapCut and then go to the edit option on the bottom left and tap on new project. Now choose the project that you want to edit, hit add, and now just tap the video on the timeline and then swipe to the left, and here you find the camera tracking option. Uh, Before the update, it was known as lock on feature as well. So go ahead and tap on camera tracking and then go to camera tracking again, and you'll have to use the free trial. So just tap on it and you can see blue borders appear on the screen. So just tap on the face that you want to track and then hit track. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.